Good morning, Achieve Charter School. I just tried recording the morning assembly without even pressing record. Hey, it's so good to be here. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. Have a seat. Show me a good slant. So yesterday we were talking about how good that's going to feel next year when you step on campus and your year page is completely blue and you started making plans. And hopefully your plan was don't wait till things turn red, because when you wait till things turn red, that's what creates a problem, right? Especially if you have a lot of things turning red. In fact, if you didn't even pass any before the line goes past, that was an awkward sentence, but I think you know what I mean. You're going to be having to catch up on all 4 courses. And then as you're doing that, the line keeps moving. And that was the hard thing to overcome this year. So I heard some people when I was having this conversation with students the other day, and they said, I am going to try to pass 1 PFA per week. That would be awesome. If you passed 1 PFA per week, just 1 a week, I think you probably would end up with more weeks of school than PFAs, which would give you time, like maybe you get to a hard one, you get a little stuck or something. That would be pretty cool. Another thing to think about is this, and this is going to be our big conversation topic for today. How do you know when to get help? Okay? I'm just going to throw one out there. When your PFA turns red. And next year it's going to be different because we're starting together on campus. We know how to do Summit. We'll have a lot of new students coming in, but the cool thing is they can ask another student how to do Summit. You're going to end up with, I can basically guarantee that unless you try to fail, you're going to have things turn green before they turn red next year. Because you're definitely going to pass at least 1 PFA before the first due date comes. Here's one way you know you need help. That's when something turns red. If it turns red, you need help. I want you to brainstorm with your class and see if you can think of all of the other ways that you can know that you need help. Because if you can get that help before it turns red, you can stay on track and not have to play catch up to get on track. So, question is, other than just a PFA turning red, how do you know that you need help? All right. Have a great day, Achieve. I'll talk to you later. Bye.